Introducing DeFi 2.1. How is it different from DeFi 2.0? And how does it ensure its token backing only keeps increasing? First off, let's have a refresher about what DeFi 2.0 actually is. DeFi 2.0 was championed by Olympus DAO using its native currency, OHM. The price of OHM could increase because the currency was backed and not pegged. In order to support the high prices, Olympus gave high APYs and introduced new concepts such as bonding and rebasing. While these innovations were great, there were a handful of fundamental issues. Number 1. The constant selling pressure. In DeFi 2.0, bonding benefits 1. The protocol by growing its treasury, 2. The user by offering its token at a discount. But in practice, most users end up selling their tokens, which hurts the protocol. Why? Because users can sell, purchase new bonds, and repeat indefinitely, causing a constant selling pressure on the system. Number 2. The unreliable backing value. It is critical that the protocol's backing value cannot decrease, otherwise the tokens don't have a true intrinsic value. However, in most DeFi 2.0 projects, the emission rate far exceeds the treasury growth rate, causing the token's backing value to erode over time. This means while the protocol may be getting richer, its users are getting poorer. Number 3. The unsustainable yields. A DeFi 2.0 project that fails to produce value essentially relies on the money from new users to sustain a very high APY. This is why DeFi 2.0 is not sustainable. Introducing DeFi 2.1. DeFi 2.1 is an improved protocol that promises its token backing value will only increase, and we'll explain how. We will be launching our first DeFi 2.1 product, the Bitcoin Accumulator. We'll use the Bitcoin Accumulator to explain some of the upgrades DeFi 2.1 has over 2.0. The Bitcoin Accumulator will feature 3 main types of tokens. 1. The asset we are trying to accumulate, Bitcoin or BTC. 2. A wrapped and backed version of that asset, wrapped Bitcoin. And 3. Our accumulator token, BTCA, which is the token that will constantly accrue value. There will be variants of BTCA, which will give different yields with different downgrade durations. So, how does it work? Number 1. Profiting from the underlying asset's volatility. The protocol is designed to capture market inefficiencies between BTC and wrapped BTC, turning market volatility into a source of value. Number 2. Dynamic profit distribution mechanism. The protocol only mints new tokens when it makes a profit. This fundamental change means that the circulating tokens will never be diluted. Additionally, profits are distributed in real time, and this is represented by the accumulator index. Number 3. Reducing selling pressure. To mint our BTCA token, users can instantly upgrade their wrapped BTC. However, if they wish to get the wrapped BTC back, there will be a downgrade delay. This means, in order to purchase attractive bonds immediately, users will need to use fresh funds for the purchase. Number 4. A Pure Treasury. Unlike DeFi 2.0 products, our protocol will only keep BTC in our treasury. Additionally, since our emissions are fully backed by profits, our backing will always remain at 1:1, regardless of market conditions. Maintaining this consistent backing is what sets DeFi 2.1 apart from its predecessor. So, how can you hop on the DeFi 2.1 train? Join our Discord and visit our Twitter and website in the description below. You'll also be the first to know about product testing, new releases, and more. Over time, we will be releasing more token accumulators and other DeFi 2.1 projects. This video was brought to you by Player 2. Player 2 is a digital world where you can play to learn, earn, socialize, and more. Player 2 is currently being built on Solana and is purely community funded. Stay tuned for more.